Hey, Jojo Rebel here. Well, about a week or so ago, I had get these two emails from two different companies, and both of them was offering this box of, each one's uh, box of ammo from Ammo Incorporated. Uh, 9 millimeters, like 50 rounds for $10. So I spent $20 and got 100 rounds. So that pretty much came out to roughly like 20 cents a round, something I couldn't pass up. I just thought I might pass it on to y'all. And if y'all find any things like these, grab them while you can and still keep stacking them deep.